In this video, I will show you how to amend pricing, but not per item, but all items at the same time. We are going to use inventory on Xero, just going to product and services, and we're going to export it as CSV format. So now we have downloaded the file from Xero, and let's say that our prices have changed. Whatever would be a purchase unit price, or would it be the sales unit price? Let's say that our prices have increased, and so now we will charge more on sales unit. For instance, that would be 25, 7, 20, 27, 35, 300, 900, 10. So I've now changed all the sales pricing. This is per unit, and everything else I would leave as the same. Now let's go ahead and save it as CSV format again. Now we go back to our stock page with product and services. Now we're going to import items, upload items, a select file. Next. So I'm now going to import, and you can see the prices have changed. The sales prices are now higher. If you look at the prices that we had before, fish out of water was 19.95, then 560, 15, and now it's 25, 7, 20, and so on. So we have definitely updated the prices. Let's go ahead and try a sales invoice. Let's select fish out of water, and you can see the new unit prices appeared. I hope this video was useful. Thank you for watching.